Hey everyone, it's Kitt. Swear I haven't forgotten about social media. I've just been really busy. I wanted to let you guys know that I'm moving my shop from 25 Elgin Street, bigger and better location. Can't give you too many details on that yet, just because things are still in the works, but stay tuned for more information on that. As for my customers who have garments with me or they've commissioned custom work, please don't worry, I will still get to it. It take a little bit longer to get your garments because I'm working out of my boyfriend's apartment now, so.
You're welcome.
Love you. Big thank you and good luck to Starlet Satine Vintage. And to my clients, thank you so much for all of your love and support this past year. Really appreciate everything, and I really hope to see you guys at my new location. Bye for now.